What do you want to look at? Tata Consumer, because of the denial, and it's like a clear denial, explicit. They've explicitly denied that, look, they're just not talking to Haldiram in terms of any kind of a deal arrangement or any kind of a stake buy. First rates, Nifty, 16 points down. The breadth of the market, I won't say it's near perfect, but the breadth of the market is looking promising enough. Tata Motors, ITC, HDFC Life and Axis Bank, these are some of the stocks which in a sense are moving on very, very smartly. You want to look at some of the EMS companies, electronic manufacturing stocks, so that includes a name like Keynes, Amber, Sharma. This entire space has been on the cartwheels, so to speak. Tata Consumer denial comes in. Why the stock went up, I don't know. But now I guess it is coming back to where it was yesterday. Brokerage impact, Dixon, TCS and HDFC Bank, that's there in terms of the impact per se. All the railway stocks one by one. Let's look at all the railway stocks one by one. Sharma, Keynes is up 7%. Wow. Sharma is up 2%. Keynes was at 1,000 rupees at the beginning of the year, and not even a year has ended. It's become from 1,800 to about 2,000. That's the power of liquidity, which can really surprise you. The issue was not great, but post that, the stock has just gone absolutely out of the park. You also want to revisit some of the pharma names, especially Glenmark Life and Loris, all kind of buzz and deals. Rumor is there, and then Indiabull Housing Finance along with BHEL, where the price action and solid volume action yesterday was. Aisha?
Yeah. Let's also check in on what Tata Consumer is up to, because while it did gain 4% yesterday, right now it's down nearly 2% after that vehement denial coming in from the management that they are not looking at any stake buy with regards to Haldiram's. Tata Consumer now down 2.6%. And I think it's going to pretty much undo all of its yesterday's gains. Infosys, Nomura has upgraded it to a neutral from the earlier reduced. They've hiked their target price also to 1,410. So look out for what this stock does. There's Axis Capital, which has downgraded Concord now to an add from the earlier buy. So look out for what this stock as well is doing in trade. And then TCS has also bagged orders worth about £800 million, remember, from JLR for 5 years. ONGC, crude continues to rise on hopes of a supply card. Brent is now at 91, ONGC marginally higher as we speak. Let's check in on some of the other names and let's see what Paytm is up to. They're looking to scrap the plans to enter the insurance business. That's what sources seem to be indicating to us. Paytm down by about almost 0.5% as we speak right now. There's Biocon, which has completed the integration of Vitris biosimilar business in North America. That stock holds up 0.5% or so. Shriram Finance, Small Cap World Fund, had sold 47 lakh shares yesterday in a block worth about 880 crore rupees. Right now too, it's a little bit soft for Shriram Finance as we speak right now. But yep, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot by way of newsmakers. I also want to check in on what Idea, Indus Towers are up to. Remember, these were big buzzers in trade yesterday. Idea shot up 7.5%. Right now also 0.5% higher as we speak. And Petronet LNG was the other one which held out very smartly yesterday. So let's see whether there's any follow through coming in there. It's softened down a little bit. Petronet LNG 0.2% lower as we speak right now.